Eyes up here, boys and girls. Today for number corner, I see Emma's eyes. I know she wants to play number corner today. I see Jasmine's eyes. Thank you, Gage. Today for number corner, we're going to be learning a new game called Two Turns to Build, and then read with me.
Spin to win!
So our goal today is to be able to add two-digit numbers together. Can you tell your neighbor what our goal today is?
To add two-digit numbers together.
Okay, here we go. Eyes up here. Emma, what's our goal today?
To add two-digit numbers.
To add two-digit numbers. Why is that important? Think in your head. Why is that important to be able to add two-digit numbers together? Tell your neighbor, why is that important?
Some people like to ask questions about that.
All right, eyes up here. Mackenzie, can you share with me why is it important to be able to add two-digit numbers together?
So in second grade, they're gonna ask you like stuff like that, and if you don't like know it, then it's gonna be hard. But if you went in first grade, then we're just gonna know it.
You're right. In second grade, you're going to have to be able to add two-digit numbers together. Why else is it important? Like in life, why am I going to have to be able to answer and be able to add two-digit numbers together? Lily.
Because you want to be smart and you want to grow up to know lots of stuff in math.
You're right. I do want to grow up to be smart, and I do want to be able to do lots of stuff in math. But you know what? It's really important. When I go to the store and I go shopping, lots of things are worth two-digit numbers, right? Not just one-digit numbers. I go to the store and I buy a game that's $12. And then I also want to buy a book that's $15. I got to be able to add two-digit numbers together in order to get my total to see if I have enough money, right, to be able to check out and get both things. All right? So in this game, I'm going to spin two spinners, add those digits together, and color it down below. I'm going to do that twice so that I have two-digit numbers that I'm going to add for a sum. Okay? So I'm going to spin first. 10. I'm going to start with 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I got to 10. Was there a better strategy? Is there a better strategy? Mason, what was a better strategy?
You should do the 5 and a 5 because you know 5 plus 5 equals 10.
Okay, so Mason said I should color 5 and then 5 more because 5 plus 5 is 10. But today we're going to use our knowledge of tens and ones. So knowing that, knowing what we work with in tens and ones, what was a better strategy that I could have done? I could have done 5 and 5 make 10. I absolutely agree. What's a different way I could have done it? Drew?
Know that it's a 10 stick.
Know that it's a 10 stick. So I don't even need to count it. I can just color in a whole stick and know that it's a 10 stick.
That was mine.
Okay, that was your idea? That's a good idea. Okay, 10, add 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10, add 5. What is my sum for my first spin? Right, my first turn. 10, add 5 more. Whisper to a neighbor what it is.
25. 15.
So 10, 5 ones is 5 each. What is it?
15.
All right, eyes up here. Let's see. Andrew, what's 10 add 5?
15.
15. How do you know that to be true?
Because if you have 10,
Yeah?
add 5.
Okay. So how did you do that though? How do you know that? You're absolutely right. 10 add 5 is 15. How do you know that? If I look at this model right here, using tens and ones, how do I know 10 add 5 is 15?
Because if you, so you have 10,
Yeah?
count 5 more.
Okay, so you count it on. So 10, count with me, Andrew. What's after 10?
11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Excellent. So he used the counting on strategy. How else could he have solved that? How else could he have solved that? Using my knowledge of tens and ones. Kenzie, how else could I have done it?
That you know that's a 10 stick and half of a 10 stick is 5. So
Okay.
you can just look at it and you can count the 10 and you can know like that half is a 5. So you can know 15.
Okay, so Mackenzie said half of a 10 stick is 5, so I know this is 5, and then add 10 more. Right? 10 add 5 is 15. Lily.
5 times 3 equals 15.
She did multiplication. She said 5 times 3 or 3 times 5 is 15. She said there's 3 groups of 5. 3 times 5 means 3 groups of 5. 3 groups of 5, 5, 10, 15. She counted by 5. That's another great strategy. But if we're using our knowledge of place value, I know that I have in the tens place 1 10 because I have 1 10 stick. And then I have 5 ones left over. So that's why 15 looks like that. 1, 5 because it's 1 10, 5 ones. Your turn. Layton, come on up. Layton's going to first spin the 2-digit number. 10. So he's going to color 10 on his side. And look at that, he didn't count 1 to 1, he just colored in the whole 10 stick. Then he's going to add a 1-digit number to that. Oh, it's on the line. What do you want to do?
I'll do 5.
5, okay, so Layton said it's on the line, so he's going to do 5 more. So add 5 more. So 10 add 5 looks awfully familiar. It is mine. It was my score. So Layton Reeves, what is 10? Add 5 more. What's your sum?
15.
15. And how do you know that to be true?
Because 5, and then I know 5 plus 5 equals 10, and I know 5 more would equal 15.
Okay, so he kind of did what Lily did and went 5, 10, 15, right? And we discussed, because it's the exact same score as me, so we discussed all those same strategies, right? So he's going to write 15 for your first score. Excellent. Nice job. My turn. It's my second turn to spin. 10. I'm going to do my second one in blue. 10, add 2 more. So I have a couple different choices here. I can either add my 2 right here, or I can add my 2 right here. I like to kind of have all my ones in one place, so I'm going to actually build mine right here on top, so it's a little easier to see. And now I have 10 and 2 more blue. How many blue do I have total? Will you talk to your friend about that? How many blue? Okay, how many blue?
That's 27.
All right, eyes up here. Let's see. Anthony, how many blue do I have? Come on up. How many blue do I have? He's going to write it up. 12. Give me a thumbs up if you agree with Anthony. Thumbs down if you disagree. Right? 12. Very good. Now, I have a question for you. I agree. I have 12 blue. Why does 12 look like that? A 1 and then a 2? Why does 12 look like that? Tell your neighbor. So the 1 in the 10 place, 2 in the 1 place, right? Excellent. All right, hands on your shoulders. Hands on your knees. Eyes up here. Phaedra had a really great thought. Phaedra, how come 12 looks like that? A 1 and then a 2?
Because so a 10 is in the ones, so there's the 1 in the tens place and a 2 in the ones place.
Ah, she said there's a 1 in the tens place, and that means there's 10 of them here, and then 2 in the ones place. And we know 10 and 2 make 12. Great thinking, Phaedra. Your turn. Let's see. Leah, come on up. love how she didn't go one-to-one counting. She knew it was a 10 stick, colored it in. She knew using her knowledge of tens and ones. And 0. So Leah, 10 add 0 more is what? 10. Thumbs up if you agree. Thumbs down if you disagree. Disagree? So Emma, you disagree. So what do you think 10 add 0 would be?
10 add 0 could be
10. So do you agree or disagree? Agree. Very good. I saw everyone with thumbs up. That was easy. Okay? So now we both spun twice. The goal is that we have to spin and then we have to add the 2-digit numbers together. So I have 15 add 12. What would be my sum? Look at it. 15 add 12. Right here. Look at your knowledge, using your knowledge of tens and ones. Talk to your neighbor about it.
27, 26.
27. How do you know that?
27.
How do you know that? How do you know?
Because 10 plus 10 equals 20, and I see 7 more.
7 more. What's 21? Mason, what's 15 minus 7?
What's 5 plus 7? 27. Because 10 plus 10 equals 20, and I know I did like 5, and then I add 2 more, like 6, 7, but that's it.
All right, eyes up here. Let's see. Lily, what is 15 plus 12?
15 plus 12 is 27.
27. And how do you know that to be true, Lily?
Because if you just take off the 5 and the 2 and you add them together, that equals 7, and then you put the 10 together, that makes 10 and that makes 20.
20. So she said she put this 5 ones and 2 ones together to make 7. And then she said this is a 10 and this is a 10. So 20, and she did 20 add 7 is 27. I love that. Because she knew that this is not just 1. She didn't go 1 plus 1. She knew that that stood for 110 and 110, which is 20. So can you write 27 for me? Anyone do that a different way? Anyone can do it a different way. Mason, how did you do it?
So there's like 10 plus 10,
Yeah?
and I counted 5, and then I thought maybe I should add 2 more, and I then 6, 7.
Oh, so he did 10 add 10 is 20, 25, 26, 27. Great strategy. Elias, how did you do it?
I just have a question for the number 27.
Okay, what's your question about the number 27?
Everybody knew that because 10 plus 10 is 20 and 4 plus 3 is 7 and 5 plus, and that means 5 plus 2 is 7.
So if 4 plus 3 is 7, how do you know that 5 plus 2 is 7? Why does that make sense?
Because when we were doing somebody's mom for a substitute, I counted my fingers for I counted 4 my fingers and then 3 more and I landed on 7 and that means 4 plus 3 was 7 and I already knew that
5.
5 plus 2 was
Okay, let's look at that more carefully. Everyone show me 4 fingers on one hand. Show me 3 fingers on the other hand. Okay? So Elias said 4 add 3 is 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But he said, let's take this one away, right? Put 1 down over here and put a 5 here. So 5 add 2 is also 7. Very good. Okay, let's try this one. 15 add 10. What is your sum? Okay, 15 add 10 more. Look at here. You can use the model. Talk to your neighbor about it. 15 add 10. Aiden Brinker, come on up. Let's see if you agree with what Aiden thinks. So Aiden, what do you think? 15 add 10 is what? What's the sum?
I think it's 25.
25, so write it down. And why do you think that to be true? How do you know it?
Because I know 10 plus 10 equals 20.
Uh-huh.
10 plus 5 more equals 25.
Excellent. So he said 10 plus 10 is 20, add 5 more is 25. Give me a thumbs up if you agree with him. Thumbs down if you disagree. Thumbs up if you're not quite sure. Right? Mace, is it here, here, or here? Okay. What's up? All right. Nice job. So now I'm going to compare the two-digit numbers, 27 versus 25. So I got a total score of 27. Your sum or total was 25. And we got to compare the two numbers with a greater than, less than, equal to. Aiden Maxfield, come on up. He's going to put the correct sign up there.
I hope it lands on less when we're done.
Thumbs up if you agree. 27 is greater than 25. Agree? Gage, do you agree? Ah, double thumbs up. I love it. All right. So he's saying, Aiden, don't go anywhere. Ready? He's saying that my score, 27, is greater than your score, 25. So if it lands on more, I win. If it lands on less, you win. Ready? Now we get to
Say to win!
Oh my goodness, Lily's so nervous. She's covering her eyes.
Me too!
Hands on your knees. Eyes up here. All right, so our goal, Elias, what was our goal today?
To add 2-digit numbers.
To add two-digit numbers together. So thumbs up if you're like, yeah, I got my goal done. Thumbs in the middle if you're not quite sure. Right? Thumbs down if you're like, Mrs. Fairclough, I think I might need extra help with this. Right. Ooh, I see lots of double thumbs up. Very cool. So tomorrow, you'll get to play this game with a partner.
10
Nice job.
10 thumbs up.
10. Oh, those aren't thumbs, silly. These are thumbs. Very good. If you are ready for the next lesson, can you look like Lily? So it looks like Mackenzie and sounds like Mason. It looks like Anthony and sounds like Kylea. Nice job, boys and girls.
Thank you, Miss Radcliffe.